'cause you can't be faithful.
Welcome back, besties, for another video. How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? Hope all is well with everybody in the world. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bethany. I'm a wife and a mom, and on my channel I do everything that pertains to being a mom and a wife. That's cooking, cleaning, transportation, organization, and so much more. If this is something that you would be interested in, click that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Leave me a little comment. Let me know that you're new and you're here and you're watching. For my returning besties, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And now, you know what it is. And you know what we do. Let's get it.
I hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no, 'cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy, only one. If you wanted to hurt me, well you failed big time, 'cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do.
Look at this here. I found my son's and mine graduation caps. I graduated from hair school in 2013, and I meant to buy shadow boxes because I wanted to put those up, but they were sitting in a container full of party stuff. See, this is a whole hot mess. That's why I had to go through and declutter and get that stuff out of here. I'm like, I got just stuff everywhere. That doesn't even make any sense. Look, right now I'm about to pull some yarn out of the party bag. Out of the party box. Why is there yarn in the party box? Who even knows why it's even there? It doesn't make any sense. I got all kinds of crap in these things. Oh, now my twins are going to be 13. These are their lead pads from when they were 1. Why do I still have these? It makes no sense. I need to get my life. That's what I need to do. I gotta get my life.
Sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. If you wanted to hurt me, well you failed big time, 'cause I knew you would panic and run. I won't chase you, baby, I'm too good without. If you think that I'm crying, you're wrong. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We a game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more.
Crashing down in it, again. All things are burning up in flames.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
Crashing down in it, again. Our love will never be the same.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high.
Here I'm using a paper clip holder to close up potato chips. If you don't own a potato chip holder, you just go to your little office supplies, go to your desk and grab the close up your chips, keep them fresh.
We go, a game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more.
Crashing down in it, airplane. All things are burning up in flames.
I found my portfolio from hair school. I was evidently an excellent student. I have a lot of perfect attendance awards. I also got a certification for when I competed in the hair contest for our schools. I was in the long hair division contest. I did not win. I did not place. I didn't do anything, but it is what it is. But it was nice taking a trip back down memory lane to see all the different things that I used to do. I still keep my cosmetology license. I actually just renewed it because you have to renew it every 2 years. But it was nice seeing those things again.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
Crashing down in it, airplane. Our love will never be the same.
We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I done bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best. Taking.
Hey, so this mug broke a little bit after Christmas. I'm just now getting to it. Whatever. If you hear any noise in the background, that's my husband. He just got up. But yeah, I put a little of the Dollar Tree crazy glue on it, put the handle back on, and it doesn't even look like it was broken.
Moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broken mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Well, that's it for the video. I hope you got motivated to clean, to do something, declutter, move some stuff around, or if you were just thoroughly entertained, it's all right with me either way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're new. Smash that like button. Give me a comment down below, whatever it is, and I will catch you in the next one.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break, better way. Oh, hey.
I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, 'cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision, I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, 'cause you've been